to the substance of the response itself, as it is also unacceptable that political parties are used to intimidate and harass citizens exercising their opinions in the public domain. Who are these political parties? Hey, okay. And then he says, I am sure even you and the APC can relate to this. I am also sure that, but for their blind hatred of other Nigerians, not of their tribe or religion, even the Islamists that you serve and desperately seek to please can relate to this. I am sure that no Nigerian is enjoying the national shame and embarrassment we are going through as a result of these unending revelations as who or what our president actually is, or that most Nigerians cannot be sure of at least one meal a day anymore, or that we can no more attend wedding ceremonies in Imo or Zamfara state due to insecurity. Know what you say. So he further says, know what you may, say what you may. I hold firmly to my assertion that Peter Obi had the majority votes in the May 23 presidential election. That was why both INEC and APC had to go rogue in the election. And they know this fact, even if they will not admit it. After all, the thief knows who stole the item. He ended.
Thank you so much. I'm your body great. The former secretary to the federal government, Lawal, had presented the whole truth to the human family that Peter Obi was the clear winner of 2023 presidential election. The whole world knows the truth. Even the people who are celebrating victory and are in government, they know the truth. All in Nigeria knows the truth. Even INEC knows the truth. I've already presented a video on it, proving beyond reasonable doubt that Peter Obi was the clear winner in 2023 presidential election. You see, if only INEC will be compelled to upload the result from the polling booth and not the criminal act of uploading blank papers, blood images, and pictures as result sheets, it's just so shameful that the judiciary shamelessly accept that result sheet can turn to a blank paper. That an institution like INEC can upload blank paper, blood images, and pictures as a result sheet. It's so disappointing that to have a failed institution, the judiciary will not be able to know and say, tell INEC, it is not possible for you to conduct election and the result sheet will be a blank paper. It's just so unfortunate. The level of decay ravaging Nigeria and the judiciary presenting that institution as even the worst, affected by the decay. A truckload, heavy load of blank papers, satisfied through copy from INEC themselves, presented to the court. Look at what INEC used to collect results of presidential election. Blank papers, blood images, pictures. Even the said INEC deputy ICT director was before the judges. What is the score of APC? Nothing. There's nothing on blank paper. Yet, what we have been told, somebody was duly elected. What a tragedy. Thank God for former secretary of the federal government being able to come up and speak the truth that Peter Obi actually won 2023 presidential election with a clear margin. With a clear margin. Well, thank God. The truth will one day come out. One day, the institution called INEC will do the right thing. One day, the judiciary will wake up and allow their loyalty to be to the law. God save Nigeria. We'll continue to wait. We'll continue to wait. And we'll continue to pray. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.